Welcome back to the channel where we explore some of the most exciting cars the automotive world has to offer. Today we have something truly special, the 2025 Karmann Ghia. A name steeped in history, this modern reincarnation aims to combine its classic charm with cutting-edge technology, offering a unique blend of nostalgia and whether you're a die-hard fan of the original or someone simply curious about what makes this car stand out, stick around as we dive into every detail of this iconic vehicle reborn for the modern era. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Karmann Ghia immediately captures attention with its elegant yet bold presence. At the front, the smooth, rounded nose is a clear nod to the classic design of the original, while modern elements like slim LED headlights add a contemporary edge. The headlights are seamlessly integrated into the body, giving the front end a clean and cohesive appearance. The grille has been reimagined with a minimalist approach, featuring subtle chrome accents that enhance its refinedness. This fusion of vintage and modern design elements creates a front profile that is both recognizable and fresh, making it instantly appealing to car enthusiasts and casual observers alike. The side profile of the car continues to impress, with its low-slung silhouette and flowing curves. The iconic shape of the original Karmann Ghia has been preserved, but modern touches such as larger alloy wheels and a pronounced shoulder line add a sense of dynamism and presence. The frameless windows and flush door handles contribute to the car's sleek and contemporary look, while small details like the Karmann Ghia badge on the fender pay subtle homage to its rich history. The overall proportions of the car are perfectly balanced, creating a side profile that is both elegant and sporty. At the rear, the car's design is equally captivating. The rounded tail end is a clear reference to the classic model, but it has been updated with modern features such as slim LED taillights that stretch across the width of the car. These taillights not only enhance the car's visual appeal but also provide excellent visibility. The rear bumper features integrated dual exhaust outlets which are designed to blend seamlessly into the body for a clean and polished look. A subtle rear spoiler adds a sporty touch without detracting from the car's timeless aesthetic. From every angle, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is a masterpiece of design, effortlessly combining retro charm with modern sophistication. Stepping inside the car, you are greeted by an interior that is a perfect blend of luxury, functionality, and nostalgia. The cabin is designed to offer a premium experience with high-quality materials and a minimalist layout that echoes the simplicity of the original. The dashboard is dominated by a fully digital instrument cluster which provides all the information you need in a clear and intuitive format. This is complemented by a central touchscreen infotainment system that offers features such as navigation, smartphone integration, and a premium sound system. Despite its modern technology, the interior retains a classic feel, with circular air vents and a leather-wrapped steering wheel featuring chrome accents that evoke the spirit of the original Karmann Ghia. The seats are another highlight of the interior, offering a perfect combination of comfort and support. Upholstered in premium leather, they feature heating and cooling functions, ensuring that you stay comfortable regardless of the weather. The stitching on the seats adds a touch of craftsmanship, while the overall design of the cabin feels intimate and driver-focused. Space-wise, the car is designed to be cozy yet practical, with enough room for two passengers to travel in comforts. The trunk, while not the largest, offers enough space for weekend getaways or daily errands, making the car suitable for both leisurely drives and everyday use. Performance is another area where the 2025 Karmann Ghia shines. Buyers have the option of choosing between a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and an all-electric powertrain, catering to both traditionalists and those looking for a more sustainable option. The gas-powered engine delivers an impressive 250 horsepower, providing a thrilling driving experience with responsive acceleration and excellent fuel efficiency. For those who opt for the electric version, the car offers a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, making it a practical choice for daily commuting and longer trips. The electric motor provides instant torque, ensuring smooth and effortless acceleration. Both powertrains are paired with a precision-tuned suspension system that strikes a perfect balance between comfort and agility. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling winding mountain roads, the Karmann Ghia feels composed and engaging to drive. The car's handling is further enhanced by its lightweight construction and low center of gravity, which contribute to its excellent cornering capabilities. The steering is precise and responsive, making the car feel connected to the road and giving the driver a sense of confidence and control. Braking performance is equally impressive, with a high-performance braking system that ensures quick and reliable stops in any situation. Oh, overall, the 2025 Karmann Ghia delivers a driving experience that is as enjoyable as it is versatile, appealing to a wide range of drivers. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Karmann Ghia starts at approximately $50,000 for the base model with the gas-powered engine. The all-electric version is priced slightly higher, starting at around $60,000. While these prices place the car in the premium segment, it offers excellent value for money given its combination of design, performance, and heritage. Optional packages and customization options are available for those who want to personalize their car, allowing buyers to tailor it to their preferences. Whether you're looking for additional luxury features or enhanced performance, the 2025 Karmann Ghia offers plenty of options to suit your needs. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is a car that appeals to both the heart and the mind. Its stunning design pays homage to an automotive legend, while its modern features ensure that it meets the demands of today's drivers. The blend of classic and contemporary elements is executed flawlessly, making the car a true standout in its segment. It's a car that doesn't just take you from point A to point B, it makes every journey a memorable experience. This car is perfect for enthusiasts who appreciate the finer details and want a vehicle that stands out from the crowd. It's ideal for those who value classic design but don't want to compromise on modern technology and performance. However, it may not be the best choice for those who need a larger, more practical vehicle for family use or heavy cargo. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is a niche offering, designed for those who want something unique and special. As we wrap up this review, it's clear that the 2025 Karmann Ghia is more than just a car. It's a statement. It's a celebration of automotive history and a showcase of what's possible when you combine timeless design with modern engineering. If you're in the market for a car that offers style, performance, and heritage in equal measure, the Karmann Ghia deserves a spot at the top of your list. Let us know your thoughts in. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the 2025 Karmann Ghia. Its ability to merge the past with the present is a testament to thoughtful design and engineering. Let me know your thoughts on this modern classic in the comments below. Would you add it to your garage, or do you have your eye on something else? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Until next time, drive safe and take care.